क्यू कार्ड होता है आइल्स में, ठीक है। वो क्यू कार्ड आप किस तरह एक्सप्लेन करते हैं? सो व्हाट इज़ अ क्यू, व्हाट इज़ अ क्यू कार्ड? बेसिकली क्यू कार्ड जो है वो आपको एक एग्ज़ामिनर जो है वो एक कार्ड दे देता है, जिसको हम टास्क कार्ड कहते हैं या क्यू कार्ड कहते हैं, राइट? दोनों कह सकते हैं। तो वो क्यू कार्ड आपको 2 से 4 क्वेश्चंस उसमें होंगे और कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस होंगे, ठीक है। और वो इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो है वो आपको कि हाउ टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन इन गिवन क्यू कार्ड, राइट, वो आपने एक्सप्लेन करना है, ठीक। इसी तरह यू विल नॉट बी गिवन एन ऑप्शन टू चेंज द क्वेश्चन, right? You're given exactly 1 minute in IELTS speaking test to prepare on a particular topic, right? That will be called IELTS cue card. You're also asked to speak continuously for 2 minutes until the examiner asks you to stop. Then the examiner will ask some questions regarding the topic given, right? The test lasts for 2 to 3 minutes, including the 1 minute preparation time. List of cue cards में क्या हो सकते हैं? Describe your favorite picture or photography you like, a song that has a special meaning to you, a story, novel interests you. Describe a special or favorite toy you like in your childhood. Describe favorite song that you like, etc. Right? A subject at school, person. Regarding a person, they can ask you a question. A person you admire, love, right? Describe someone you consider a good leader. Okay. Describe someone in the news you like to meet. Describe an old friend. Describe a family member, an interesting neighbor you like, right? These can be the topics of your cue card, and also related to your family. For example, describe your family, describe a family event you are looking forward to, describe a family picnic or tour you have had, right? और ये ऑब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड भी हो सकते हैं. Objects are related in a way like, for example, describe a picture or photograph in your home, a gift you gave that took a long time to choose. Describe a piece of electronic equipment that you find useful, right? A time you borrowed something useful. These could be the object. And this cue card can also be about the place, right? A place you remember well that is full of color, a country you have not been to yet, a street you like to visit. Describe a polluted place, right? And it could also be about work or study, a project at work or home, a course you like to study and found useful, right? Describe a piece of work you did quickly. Describe your dream, ideal, perfect job. Describe something you want to learn more, right? And this cue code can also be about emotions, aspirations. What does it mean? Ambitions you have not yet achieved. Describe something, a child that made you laugh, right? An experience you had as a member of a team. A disagreement you had with a friend. A recent activity or event that made you happy. A TV program that made you laugh. So on and so forth. And this cue card can also be about occasions. An occasion when you got up very early in the morning. Describe a birthday party celebration you attended, right? And it can also be about a recall. Um, Describe a teacher from your past that you remember. Describe a photograph that you remember. Describe a garden you remember visiting. Describe a dream you remember well. And it can also be about a popular, uh, like describe a story popular in your country. Describe a popular musical instrument in your country. And it can also be about an activity. Describe a leisure activity that is popular in your country. Describe an indoor game you have enjoyed playing in your free time. Describe an indoor game that you played in your childhood. And it can also be about something important. For example, describe an important change in your life. Describe something you own, which is very important to you. And it can also be about life. Describe an invention that has changed people's life. Describe life in particular period of history. Event, a memorable event from your school days. It can also be about describe an event you felt unhappy about, more event. And it can also be someone, child, so on and so forth. Useful. Describe a useful plant you know about, who you admire. It's about business, movie, famous, interesting, gift, change, health. So these are all the questions related to your क्यू कार्ड. आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. अगर आपने इस वीडियो को एंजॉय किया और आपको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है, सो बी ऑनेस्ट एंड लाइक, subscribe the channel, and I will keep uploading new videos for your information, for your knowledge, for your enhancement, and in order to um, help you succeed in your IELTS test. Thank you very much. Good luck. लेकिन सब्सक्राइब का बटन प्रेस करना ना भूलिएगा. Please subscribe and comment below and give your opinion about this video. And you can also let me know what kind of videos you need in future, and I'll try to make it for you. Thank you very much. Have a great time.